Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use gift cards on Wish. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use gift cards on the Wish web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to www.wish.com. If you are not already logged in, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and log in using your account credentials. After logging in, go ahead and browse through the Wish marketplace to find the items you wish to purchase. So once you find any of the items, or once you find an item, click on it to view the product details. On the product page, choose any necessary options such as size or color, and just right at the right corner you're going to find the add to cart button. Click on add to cart button to place the item in your shopping cart. Now I have already placed an item in my shopping cart, so I'm just going to have to click on this cart icon at the top right corner of my page to view my item. So this is the item in my cart. Now, to use your gift card balance, all you need to do is to head over to the order summary. Right under order summary, you find an option that says enter promo code. In the enter promo code option, or this designated field, all you need to do is to enter your gift card code. Enter the gift card code. That's the code on your gift card. Once you enter the code, ensure that the code is valid. Okay, double check the code for accuracy. In this enter promo code option, double check the code for accuracy as it is case sensitive. Right, so after entering the code in here, go ahead and click on apply, and the gift card code will be applied, or your gift card balance will be applied to your order. All right, so once you do that, you should receive a prompt or something like a prompt information letting you know that your gift card balance has been deducted, and they're going to tell you how much money was deducted and added to your order. So once you're done with all of that, review your order summary to confirm that the gift card amount has been applied to your purchase. Select your shipping method and your payment method as well, and click on checkout. And that's just pretty much it. After placing your order, you receive a confirmation email detailing your purchase and the amount deducted from your gift card. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Ensure you check the expiration date on your gift card to ensure it is used before it expires. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.